If you want a factory to actually make your clothing idea, you need a tech pack, a blueprint with every spec, measurement, and material. In this video, I'll show you how to make a tech pack for clothing in minutes with AI so your factory knows exactly how to build your design. No fashion degree required. Start on your Genpire dashboard. This big box is where it all begins. You just describe what you want to make. The more specific you are, the better the tech pack. I'll type an oversized denim jacket with a raw hem and contrast stitching. Hit create, answer a couple of quick questions about fit and neckline, and the AI gets to work. In a moment, your idea is a real product. Front, back, and side views, all generated from that one sentence. Now click Specs at the top. This is your actual tech pack. 9 sections, each one a real factory file, basic specs, components, close-ups, flat sketches, print files, labels, packaging, everything a manufacturer asks for, already filled in. See a value you'd change? Just click it and type. No save button, no pop-up. When a section's complete, it gets a green ready badge. That's how you know it's factory ready. Last step, export it. Go to Handoff, open Downloads, and download all pages as a single PDF. That's the file you send straight to your factory. And that's how you make a tech pack for clothing. Describe it, generate it, tweak it, export it. The whole thing in minutes instead of days. Try it yourself at genpire.com and tell me what you're making.